What's going on, guys? Welcome to the vlog. We just mopeded, is that even a word? We just scooter-rided to this massive waterfall. This morning we woke up at 6 AM to come here early so there would be no tourists, but when we woke up it was absolutely throwing it down. But luckily the skies have gone blue. It's a little bit busy, but at least we've been able to get here. Everywhere we go in Bali, it's always a trek. Going down the stairs isn't so bad, but I bet coming up is gonna ache. Oh, there's another waterfall, like a baby waterfall. And there's a big waterfall. Keep going. So in there behind me, there's like a little shower room where, is it just a shower cell? Or is it like a holy shower? Kind of like bless, pray, I'm not really sure, but yeah, you can go and shower in there. But I'm gonna do that when we come back because I want to go in the water by the waterfall, which looks freaking massive. I bet if you stood underneath the water flow, it'd probably knock you out.
Oh my god, that's hurt.
So my camera's getting absolutely soaked. I went in the water to get a couple of pictures, but now we want to go up there. You can like kind of go on a ledge and like kind of stand halfway up with the waterfall on like a ledge. But it is not deep enough to jump, although I'd absolutely love to. Charlie, don't jump. So we made it up halfway, but you're kind of like on this ledge. The waterfall's there. This is freaking insane. Woo. But it is not deep enough to jump. So we were just getting a picture in front of the waterfall, and Shelby was freaking out, but this guy behind me here started telling me off, and I think he was about to come and tell me off. Look, he's there. He's not looking. He was whistling at me, telling me off, and came rushing up, so I don't think you're allowed to go and step where I just stepped. I'll put a picture on the screen now, but let's just go before I get kicked out of here. Shelby was having a freaking heart attack. Almost at the top. Top's just up there. We're on like this freaky ledge. I would love to jump, but it's like only like 3.5 feet deep, so I'd probably break my legs, maybe even die. So we made it to the top. I want to fly the drone. Could be a good place to do it from. keep thinking that I'm gonna accidentally knock over one of these. Who sits here and does all them? And they're actually real too, because one fell over before. That takes some skill. We're gonna start heading back down now.
There goes a sight from my soul. There goes a sight, there goes a sight. Now there goes a sight from my soul. There goes a sight from my soul. There goes a sight, there goes a sight. There goes a sight from my soul. I think it's all angels just walk by. I think it's all angels just walk by. I think it's all angels just walk by. I think it's all angels just walk by.
It's dark outside. We've been in Starbucks now for just coming up to 4.5 hours. Uploaded 2 YouTube videos finally, and now we're just trying to book a hotel for tomorrow, but we just can't find anywhere that we like, so we're just still looking. And my video quality on my latest videos, I'm sorry, but they've been edited and stuff on iMovie because my Final Cut Pro trial ran out, so I'm trying to re-download another trial right now. I'm saying 5 minutes remaining, but so we've come back to one of our favourite places in Ubud, which is the sushi place, which is really, really good. So I got a chicken tempura, spicy tuna and a shrimp, and then we're just waiting for Shelby's to come out now. But I'm going to end the vlog here. Thank you so much for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, and as always, bye.